Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. Yeah. Have you guys heard about Bumble for friends? Yo. Good morning, beautifuls. Oh my god, I just woke up and decided today I should vlog. I haven't done a real life update because I feel like I'm always giving you guys tips and whatever, and today I've decided I'm going to vlog and just update you on where life is at. I just technically woke up like an hour ago. It's actually exactly an hour ago. It's 10:52. I've overslept. I normally sleep a lot on the day after I work my full shift, and damn, it takes a lot of, I don't know, it takes a toll on me. I woke up and my back was aching, my neck was aching. I hurt my wrist at work yesterday. I'm so lazy to work out because I've overslept. It's been like 10 hours of sleep. That means I've used half of my day already. Anyway, I'm wearing my workout clothes. Not really, I don't feel like working out, so I just wore a bra and I stayed in my pajama shorts. I know my place is a mess. Oh my god, I'm not quite sure, but I think I might be moving back to the old Airbnb that we used to live in. Anyway, I have my packing stuff here to pack some journals and take pictures, and then my bed still has laundry because I did not do my laundry this weekend. I thought we were moving because we were supposed to move at the beginning of this month. Anyway, I've been struggling with my fitness, mostly because I'm not in the proper mental state. I have a lot going on in my life. Family stuff, work stuff, business stuff, and it has taken a toll on my mood that I've kind of been eating whatever I want. I haven't been in the mood to work out. Yo, you know how I start challenges on this channel and do challenges for you guys? I've started 3 challenges and I have not made it through any of them since the end of March, April, May. I know April was my birthday month, but it was very difficult, especially business wise. Yo, carrying a camera is not so easy. It's like an arm workout. Oh my god, that was the hardest workout ever. So like usual, I just want to quickly plan my day, which I kind of planned last night. I realized that every time I plan the night before, I'm more productive the next day rather than planning on the day off, which is what I normally used to do. Anyway, I just want to tick off my habits for the day and kind of look through what my plan for today is. So I'm trying something new, which is about manifestation. I told myself starting yesterday, which was 1st June, today is 2nd, I'm going to write every day. I'm grateful and thankful for God helping me with the miracle of selling out my journals and just see how it goes. You know, have you heard about journaling for manifestation? It has worked for me in the past, by the way, but it wasn't my goal. When my ex-boyfriend dumped me, which was the best thing that could have ever happened to me, I was really scared. I did not know what to do. But the day he kicked me out, I don't even remember what I wrote, but whatever I wrote got me here. I'm living in this really nice apartment. Yo, even meeting my roommate, I met him through a very bad time of my life. Every time I was having arguments with my ex-boyfriend, I used to go to his restaurant and just sit there and work on my stuff. And then this guy became my friend. We became friends. Now we live together. I work with and for him part-time. So yeah, quite interesting what manifestation can do for you. So I've decided to intentionally manifest me selling out by the end of this month. I really want to make sure that, you know, all the little calendars that I have, I want to see if I put in 100% what happens, because before I was more about I'm just tracking to see what I can and cannot do. But what if I put in 100%, what will I get? So this month I'm kind of trying to be very productive and see where that takes me. So I have a shitload of things to edit, but I want to have a quick breakfast. I made these the other day. They're just some oat balls, but they've been in the fridge for a long time and I don't want to throw them. I also have some warm oat milk, so I'm just going to throw them in there. I honestly don't know how this is going to turn out, but hopefully they will melt inside and I will be able to eat it like a normal oatmeal meal. Like normal oatmeal, you get the point. I don't know if I mentioned this, but yesterday at work I hurt my wrist, and now I'm excited to share with you a part of the journal that I don't think you guys have seen yet. Yes, you saw it on Instagram, but I don't think you've seen it on YouTube because I haven't done that video where I was supposed to show you the features of the journal. It's coming probably tomorrow, but today I want to show you something. So there is a page on the journal where every month you get to track different signs and symptoms, cramps, different aches, whatever. I don't know about you, but the older you grow, the more aches and things you feel in your body. So that's why I added this. Basically the whole point of this is, you know, before when you go to see a doctor, personally I go to see a doctor as last minute. I don't want to have any medication inside me, so I try so hard to heal myself naturally. I don't know if I mentioned that I've been slacking with my workouts and all that stuff. I've been slacking so much, and getting back on track is one of the things I'm excited for. Let's go to the next page, which is going to be weekly. Let me show you. So today I'm going to be meal prepping, but this is what is so exciting about the next page from the health whatever. This page basically is meal prepping. So you write the meals that you think you want to have. It's already Wednesday for me, and then here you just write down the list of things that you might need: the produce, the grains, the meats and all that stuff, dairy, whatever, and then go grocery shopping. This is going to take out all the guesswork and you're going to end up not buying useless shit and spending money on stuff that you don't need. Oh my days, my hair looks insane. Yo, you know that I don't comb. I'm one of those people that don't comb, and I also feel like this vlog is going to be very long because I have a lot to fill you in on. Now I'm just about to edit some videos. It's 12:40. I'm about to edit some videos, record some TikToks, most importantly edit the plan with me video for June because it's 2nd June. Ideally I would have wanted that video to go out yesterday or the day before, but I haven't done it, so I'm going to do it right now, then record and upload some TikToks and pack some orders. That's it for now. I want to go grocery shopping later, and I guess I will see you then. Okay. Slight change of plans. My roommate called me an hour ago and told me that I had to start packing, so I packed one suitcase, well, 2 suitcases. There's one still down. Yo, I never had this many things, and now I'm realizing how much stuff I've accumulated over the years. I haven't packed my bathroom stuff, and I haven't packed any of my kitchen stuff. Normally, when I started this whole nomadic life, I had only 2 suitcases, actually 2.5 suitcases. Now 2.5 suitcases is not enough for me. Damn, I hate having so many things. I'm all about the minimalistic life. Anyway, I just want to finish editing this video, and I'm actually done. It's just a little bit left, and when I finish this, I'm going to finish the rest of the packing. This is so last minute, and I'm just like, damn, I'm disorganized. I hate that. I know I keep switching positions, but I had to charge my phone, I had to charge my laptop. What did I want to say? Have you guys heard about Bumble for friends? Yo, I didn't know that Bumble had this BFF thing. during this whole quarantine, I haven't made any friends. I don't have a boyfriend. Like, I have a roommate, but my roommate has a girlfriend, so they hang out together. Obviously, I really have no one to hang out with, and I'm bored out of my mind. So I was busy swiping. By the way, I'm done editing. I'm just uploading the video, and excuse the mess, I'm moving, so I'm just in the middle of packing. Anyway, like I was saying, I was swiping on Bumble, and I was talking to my friend, and she goes like, yo, did you know that there is Bumble Bees, meaning Bumble for business people, and there's Bumble for BFFs? I'm like, you don't say. So I started swiping. It feels so uncomfortable swiping left on like other girls. It's just weird. But there is Bumble friends, you guys. I'm going to make some new friends, man, because I'm bored in the house, bored. You know what I'm excited about? To move to the other apartment, because the lighting is great. It's like summery. I don't know if you remember it, but when I started the Level Up Diaries and this whole Level Up journey, it's the house that I was living in. Anyway, I'll show it to you. I just finished moving the first round. I'm now uploading the YouTube video. It's 4. I need to do it like right now, ASAP, and then just go on with this stuff because I feel like it's holding me back. I'm done. Uploaded. So if you didn't watch the previous video, I'm going to leave a link to it above. Okay, I need to now go and finish packing. I can't believe I'm saying bye to this space. I've taken out almost everything. My room, yeah, it's empty. This is not mine for the Airbnb. I'm ready, Freddy. Round 2. Try. Look at all these things. Oh my god. Huh? Look at all these things. I've taken everything out. Say hi.
Alright, moving.
When did they accumulate all these things? I don't know. Yo, 5 hours later. I don't even know how many hours it is. More than 5. It's about 7:30 if I'm not mistaken. And this is the last box. Yo, a year ago I could only move with my 2 suitcases and a half, and everything could fit. Also, oh my god, I cannot wait for you guys to see this house. It is amazing. If you do not remember it, oh my god, it's such a beautiful house. Yeah, actually you guys are right under the skyline, which I really like. This is the last thing I'm carrying, the journals, and I need to unpack them. It's been a long day. I don't know if I'm going to work out tomorrow because I feel like I just had a mini workout. Let me take you around the house. Even if there is stuff all over the place, I just want to quickly show you. Yo, there is some organizing to do. There is food in this suitcase. Before I used to carry only that and that. These 2 blue suitcases, that one, this one, and that one. Now I have all these things. That's a printer for my shipping labels. This is all food. Oh my god, this thing. That's the bathroom, but it makes so much noise, so I've taken the thingy off. This is the spare room, which is already, you know, it looks cute. I'm going to use this room as you guys know, I always use the extra room to keep my stuff. But the thing about this room is that it has, there is an echo. It has this storage space that I can keep all my journals and whatever. And then you guys remember my bedroom from last summer, but there is clothes everywhere, as you can see, everywhere. Yo, I broke my light. This is half of my light. I need to clean up, man. This is such a long day. I feel like my day just even began, yet it has already been going on. Where is my phone? I just want to quickly check the time. It's 8. So this is something cool about this house. Look, I don't know what you call this, but there is some light out there. And I got myself some beers to enjoy while I unpack, because it's going to be a long night. Let's go upstairs. This is my roommate's spot. Before we get it all disorganized and shit, I mean, he's going to get it messed up. This is what it looks like, because even me, my room is a mess. But yo, they changed something about this room. It looks much more spacious. I think the closet used to be over here, but this looks great. And then so there is a skyline here. They also blocked this one. Why? Well, it's not mine, it's for my roommate, but it was nice. This is the part I'm so excited for. Okay, whoa, look at that. Yo, what is that? I used to think that was a rocket going. What is that, you guys? Please tell me. But isn't the view so gorgeous? Well, not this side, let's try this side. I like the nature for sure. And then the rest of Montreal, so cute. No, I really like this place. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so freaking tired. I think I already said it, but I'm really tired. I need to unpack all this stuff first, because when I unpack this, at least tomorrow I can, you know, tackle the other stuff. But I feel like I'm going to do everything tonight. What is this? Anyway, yeah, I feel like I'm going to do everything tonight. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot believe it's coming to midnight, but I've cleared the whole house. I've swept, my bed is clean, everything. I mean, there's this stuff, but this is just a few things. Now, oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm going to go take the stuff off the wall, and tomorrow is a new day. At least I know that I don't have to start by cleaning tomorrow or doing anything. Whoa, oh my baby, she's over there. And we are organized. Oh, that's trash. Oh my god. Okay, let's clean the blackboard and we'll be done. Oh man, I just realized I'm using the white one. Okay, this one isn't okay. It's fine. It is fine. All done. Finally, I haven't eaten anything today. That's a bad thing. Oh, I had breakfast, but that's about it. Hello tout le monde, it's the next day. I just got some orders and I want to make sure that I send them before it's closing time. It's 4 and the place closes at 5, so let me just pack some orders. But before that, I just wanted to show you guys something. So one of the things I added to the journal is monthly expenses, and the reason for that, or my thought process, was that this journal is like the beginning of getting to know yourselves, and before you start like budgeting and all that stuff, you need to really understand what it is you're spending on and your spending habits. So that's the whole point of this. So for the first 90 days, it's just basically to write your expenses. And my first expense for June was, oh my god, yeah, my first expense for June was I bought some drinks yesterday. Today is 3rd, so that is 2nd June. Let me write down and I'm going to show you what I'm writing. So basically this is what it is. You just put the date, the description, category. You can categorize it how you want, and the amount, and then you write if it's a want or a need. This part will help you sieve out the things that you need and the things that you actually want. You'll be very surprised how many things people buy that they actually don't need, but they still buy just because they want it, and then they complain that they don't have money to do stuff and shit like that. That is why I added this part to the journal. You know what I hate? I hate moving, because now I unpacked everything and I'm just now realizing that I lost my shipping labels. I've lost my lights, and I'm just like, oh man, so I have to buy it all over again. You know what it's like being on a strict budget? I don't need this shit right now. I hope I find them. The only messed up thing is that I cannot pack orders now. Good thing is I already ordered for more shipping labels, so I think they'll be here by tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and close this video because I feel like it's been so long already. Yo, this is so annoying. Of course now they've closed. They close at 5. I just found my shipping labels. Can you believe it? I just swear, but I had to whisper that because damn, the hell? So here are the shipping labels. I can pack the orders. Oh my god. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it to be notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos every week. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye.